Maharaj, what happens when humans disconnect from nature?
We are the part of the nature. So we cannot disconnect ourselves completely. But if partially we disconnect ourselves from the nature, then we will be only the human with the flesh and bones. But with the mind, we will not be the natural, because our body also works in connection with the nature, because circadian rhythm, biological clock, they all work in rhythm when they are in connection with the nature. If we disconnect ourselves from the nature, then obviously our conscious mind will not be in a normal way. We will be in a pathetic situation.
Thank you.